Hello guys, in the second tutorial of this tutorial series, Android tutorial series, we learned how to write our first Hello World program. And in this example, in the previous example, we wrote our first Android program and we execute or run that program. But in this tutorial, we will explain the Hello World program. So basically, the Android project consists of these folders: manifest, Java, resources, etc. So the most important files are the manifest files. Actually, the manifest file contains all the configuration of our application. So for now, you don't have to worry about it. We will explain all of them later. And the intent filters, all the activities that we create over here, the Java file that we create over here must be registered over here. The permissions that we take for or get for our app, like Wi-Fi permission, etc. permissions, are all will be given in this part of the manifest file. So now you don't have to worry about all these. We will explain all these when we will use these permissions and working on the manifest file. After that, we have the Java folder, in which we have main activity class. In this activity, we write all our Java code or the working of our program. So here we will be coding our programming, our coding. All will go over here, or we can say the backend is this Java coding. Next, we have the resource folder. In resource folder, first we have the drawables. Next, we have layout, map, values, etc. So in the drawable, we put our image files. In layout, this is the layout file. Not this one. This is the layout file. Okay, this is the layout file. The front end, we can say the front end, whatever will be presented to the user, is called this layout file. Then we have the values, in which we have different map in which we have the icons. And then we have values. We will talk about this. We use colors, dimensions, strings, styles, etc. So now all you have to understand is that the manifest file contains the configuration of our app. The main activity contains the Java working code of our app, and then the layout file contains this we can say the front end of our app. So now in activity main file, we have this coding. If we delete this text view that we have over here, what we will get is nothing. This will be vanished. So we can take that from here as well. This text, plain text view, large text view, medium text view, small text view, like this. We can put it over here, and if you want to change its text, we'll double click on it, and here you can change the text to hello world, like this. If you don't want to do this, you want to use code, so come to text part. Here this is the design part, this is the text part, and come over here and write text view. What is the match parent, what is the wrap content, we will be talking about this, or let me introduce it to these things now. Match parent means that the width of this text view should be according to the relative layout, because the relative layout is the parent of this text view. So if we select match parent, and this height also match parent, and then we give it text of hello world, and save it. And now if you see in the design part, it has taken the entire screen, because we saved that match parent. Match parent means match it to the relative layout. So this is now match parent. But if we say wrap content and wrap content, it will take up the space on the basis of the size of this text. Now it has taken this much size. If we increase the text, it will extend its occupied space on the basis of the component or the text inside this text view. So this is the difference between wrap content and match parent. So I think so that's all for this tutorial, and we will be explaining. And this is the Java file of our page. Now we don't have something important in this. We have the public main, we have the imports, here we have the package name, here we have the imports, and now we have the public class main activity, which has extended the app compat activity. And what is app compat activity, what is just activity, we will talk about it. And then we have overridden the method on create of this app compat activity. And then we have called the super on create of app compat activity, and then we have set the layout of this main activity. Because this main activity needs a layout, so here we have set content view or.layout.activity main. This or.layout.activity main is the address of this activity main. What is the OR file? The OR file is automatically generated by our IDE, and it is a abstraction, or we can say a connection between Java file and the activity file. Now where is this layout file? This layout file is located over here, resources, layout file, and here we have here the layout file. So this is the explanation of this hello world program, and that's it for this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I will be uploading more and more videos, so you will not miss all the upcoming tutorials. See you.